What's up, design family, and welcome back to another episode of FittDesign TV. If you guys have been avid viewers of the channel, you'll know that we often focus on providing very practical tips and tricks that are meant to help you and to fuel you on your fashion brand building journey. I'm a definite believer in the power of doing the work and being pragmatic to achieve the results that you want. However, on today's episode, we're going to flip the script a little bit and talk about something that is not as logical and concrete: luck. How does one increase their luck? Is this even possible? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be discussing on today's episode. Hey guys, and welcome to FittDesign TV. So glad to have you here. On this channel, we discuss all things sports fashion, graphic design, manufacturing, and technology. We'll discuss key topics, answer pressing questions, and provide actionable steps on starting your own product line. If you're interested in any of the above topics, stick around. You're in for a good one. While following every single episode that we've put out thus far is definitely going to give you the practical tips and tricks that you need while on your fashion entrepreneurship journey. Having a little bit of luck never hurts. Luck as a concept can actually be very difficult to grasp because it's an intangible. So the idea of luck has a lot to do with what you do or the actions you take leading up to that magical stroke of luck. So this is actually where we differ in a traditional sense. I'm not telling you to sit around and wait for luck to knock on your door. I'm telling you, on the contrary, luck will only knock on your door once you've done the work, you've put in the hours, and you've sacrificed for that opportunity. So how can you actually invite this seemingly elusive concept of luck to your front door? Let's discuss. Number one, preparation is everything. As the age-old saying goes, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Make sure that you put in the work today so that you set the foundation, so that when the opportunity of luck comes around, not only are you able to see it, to recognize it, but you also have the mental fortitude and the belief in yourself to actually take it and pounce on that opportunity. This is what many actually may call lucky or an overnight success. The truth is, an overnight success is created by the countless nights that lead up to that. Number two, your body is a vessel that will transport you where you want to go. Treat it well. If you buy a nice car, chances are you're not going to put sub-grade fuel into it. You spent too much time and effort acquiring this car. The same is actually true with your body, except here, as opposed to a car, you only get one body. So why would you not want to treat it as well as you can? The challenge of running a business requires an insane amount of mental and physical fortitude that would actually send 99% of people packing in an instant. So make sure that you take care of your body. Nourish yourself with healthy foods. Work out regularly, and definitely try to take care of your personal relationships and those around you. Take care of yourself first, and you'll be able to take care of business. Number three, optimism is key. The idea of outward control is simply an illusion. You can only control yourself. Bet on yourself every single time, even when the going gets tough and things don't go as planned. What might have seemed like an amazing idea and the truest idea yesterday may not actually be so today. Learn from your mistakes and use them to get better. Pressure makes diamonds. Number four, and probably most important for me, is to live at your edge. Yes, a life of comfort may provide you temporary satisfaction, but realize that you actually have so much more to give than that immediate feeling of satisfaction. And in order to do so, you have to and you must pay with sweat equity every single day while doing the work. Consistently live at your edge. This is where true growth happens and true progression happens. Every time you reach a new threshold, don't be satisfied. Push that threshold out further and live at that edge again. Perfection is an illusion. Progression is not. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. That is a wrap on this episode. Yes, a little bit different than our regular content, and hopefully you've enjoyed this. This is coming from a personal space, and I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you've sort of seen that luck as a traditional concept, yes, it doesn't exist. It has a lot to do with the things you do surrounding your life and how you treat your life. Understanding that perfection doesn't exist and that you get the chance to wake up tomorrow and to chase the idea of perfection. Even though it doesn't exist, you want to chase the best possible version of yourself, and that makes life worth living. The fact that we get to go and we get to chase that and we get to follow that. And every time we reach a new threshold, we get to push further, push further, push further. Just undoubtedly is going to turn you into the best possible version of yourself. And then you'll notice, hey, I'm getting lucky, right? What most people might say as getting lucky, you realize, I put in the work and this is where the luck comes from. And I'm fine with that. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode and want to see more like it, one, consider subscribing. We put out great content every Wednesday and Sunday and haven't missed a beat in over 2 years. Also, push your notifications on. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Guys, you won't want to miss it. And again, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of FittDesign TV. Until next week's episode, stay awesome.